Hello, this is a short introduction to the Duplex 340 and 420 floor cleaning machines with steam. Now, these machines are actually unique on the market because they generate steam. They have twin cylindrical brushes that scrub into floor surfaces, including carpets and hard floor. They pick up into a central tank. They use very little water, so on carpets they're generally dry in about 15 minutes, and on hard floor in seconds. Okay, so these are our two most popular models. This is actually the 420 machine. And I'm just going to run through the operating controls very quickly. There's much more comprehensive instructions on our website via our YouTube channel, which you can access via our website. And on the bottom of the machine, you have a slide switch. Okay. In the bottom position, the machine's in its transport mode, and you can just wheel it around on its wheels from room to room or area to area. And as you move this slide up the settings, you put more pressure on the floor. So rule of thumb, bottom 2 seconds carpet, top 2 and hard floor. Okay. Switch over here is called the mop up. Now, 99% of the time you leave that down because you want to put steam on the floor, scrub it in and pick it up. If you want to do a pre-scrub, say you've got a badly stained carpet or a really dirty hard floor, you can put this in the up position and you can do a pre-scrub and then start to pick up the dirt once the brushes have moved the dirt off the surface. And over here you've got a reset button, which is just in case anything gets maybe caught around the brush, the machine will cut out to protect the motor. Now, the sectors that these machines are mostly used in is healthcare, which is care homes, hospitals, vets. The vast majority of machines are sold into these areas, but they can be used anywhere that's got a floor. I mean, we've sold them into leisure centres, shopping centres, cinemas, you name it, there'll be a Duplex machine in one of those places somewhere. Okay, so a very versatile piece of kit. On the top of the handle, you have the main on-off switch, and that's a rocker switch, and the light comes on when you switch the machine on. Nothing will happen until you press this yellow button on top. Steam's generated from this tank here, and that's got a switch on it as well, so that needs to be in the 1 position, switched on. And your water goes into this tank. This tank lifts off to fill up from a normal tap. You can obviously fill it up when it's there. The only chemical you put in that tank would be hydroscope, and that's a scale inhibitor, and that protects the boiler, okay, from scaling up over time. The machine's very easy to use, so we've got the main power switch on, we've got the switch on the steam generator on, we're in a short pile carpet setting. So all we need to do really is to press this yellow switch on. It'll start to steam almost instantly. Pull back on the handle when you press the yellow button very slowly, and the machine will just drop its brushes onto the floor. See how easy it is to move around. Now, the brushes on this side go right to the edge, so you can see the bristles of the brushes there, and they can clean right up to the edge. So if this was a wall or a skirting, we could clean right up to that edge. But there's no left or right to the machine, so we can just turn it around and clean right to the other edge. I'll just show you that. Now, because of the way the machine operates and the brushes are cylindrical, it actually clean into corners, which again, very few machines actually clean into a corner. So if this, for instance, was a corner, I'll clean into it that way. I'll turn the machine, I'll clean into it that way. So a very versatile machine. dirty water collected. The dirty water is collected into a central tank, which has a lid on it. The lid's got the basic operating instructions on it, just to remind people of what the settings do, how to clean it, etc. And underneath that, you've got an easily removable recovery tank, and that's where the dirty water's going to end up. That can be just taken away to clean it. It only takes 2.5 litres of water, so you're cleaning a lot of floor area with a very small amount of water, so there's no lifting and carrying of gallons of water to the machine or back to the drain or whatever. And because you're not putting any chemical in the machine, that dirty water can be tipped down any sink without any worries about contamination. The machine comes with various brushes, and the brushes on the machine are grey, universal, and they're carpet and hard floor. Okay? These brushes are black, obviously, and they're just for hard floor. So if you've got a particularly stubborn, dirty, hard floor, you can put a set of black brushes on and give them a real deep scrub for a deep clean. And for maintenance cleaning, day-to-day cleaning, the grey brushes are normally fine. So most people buy a machine with grey brushes and then add a set of black when they need them or when they buy the machine. When you've opened up the machine, before you watch this video, you'll find these 2 bottles in the box. This is Hydroscal. This is just a sample of Hydroscal that we give you to get you started using the machine. And this is silicone spray. This is used as a maintenance cleaner when you're cleaning the machine after use. Okay, so I think that's covered the basics of the machine. As I said earlier, all the videos are on our YouTube channel, which is accessible from our website. I think there's 14 or 15 different little chapters that run through the switches, the using it, putting the trolley on because there is a transport trolley, and it just gives you a whole host of ideas of where and how to use the machine. I think that's it. Thank you very much.